Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Stewart. We're looking at Module 1, Session 4 today. We're going to be looking at division. How many of you have ever gone to a store with intentions of buying something? Today, we're going to be visiting Mr. Bob's Game Shop, and he is going to help us do some math problems. This is my first time using this program, so I am told that my videos can only be 5 minutes, so you may have to see multiple videos of today's lesson broken up into pieces, so I will apologize now for that. So if we look at Mr. Bob's Game Shop and we go, oh, Mr. going too far. If we look at his word problem for today, he says that Rosa bought 32 marbles. Here's Rosa at the game shop. The marbles came in bags of 8. How many bags of marbles did she buy? So boys and girls, we know that we have 32 marbles all together, and we're trying to take a larger number and we're splitting them into groups of 8. And I know that you have been working on arrays with your multiplication tables. So we're going to try to use that knowledge of arrays to help us solve this problem. So we need to remember we have 32 altogether and that they come in bags of 8. So I'm going to move over to one of our tools that we have in the Bridges curriculum that we can use to help us. So if I am thinking I have 32, and you guys may have a mouse that will help you do this better, and it comes in, I'm going to draw a picture of a bag so that my writing isn't that great. Well, it looks like an 8. But they come in bags of 8. So here's my bag then. Okay. So I would start in my head by thinking, I need to make bags of 8. So if I make bags of 8, I could do an array. So if I click over here, it's going to give me 5 chips. Maybe not. Maybe she don't want to work with me today. There we go. So there's 5, but we have bags of 8. So we need to bring 3 more in. If you guys survived this first video with me, you have survived a miracle. Okay, so I have 8 of them right now, but I did not buy 8. I bought 32. So I need to continue because my first row of my array only shows me 8. So now I'm going to bring down 5 more. And then I need to continue with my 8 because it said bags come in 8. So now if I look at my array, I have 2 groups of 8. And if I count that, that should get me 8 plus 8 is 16. Pat yourself on the back if you said that answer. Okay, so we're still not at 32. So I'm going to add another bag of 8. Okay, so now we're adding 8 more to that 16. And what do we have? If you said 24, you are correct. You have been working on your math skills then. So we're still not at 32, so let's try another set of 5. And then 3 more ones. Of course, everything wants to... And if I look, 24 plus 8 does get me 32. Okay, I'm going to stop here and we're going to come back to that because my video is going to cut short.